Toyota gifted this person a brand new truck for his bravery. In 2018, a deadly wildfire swept through Northern California, destroying thousands of buildings and taking nearly 100 lives. But amid the chaos, one man risked it all. Alan Pierce, a medical worker, didn't think twice. He jumped into his Toyota Tundra and drove straight into the flames, saving multiple lives along the way. His truck? Completely burned, doors melted, lights gone. When Toyota heard about his bravery, they did something incredible. They gifted him a brand new Tundra, the same truck that saved so many lives. And this time it came with an upgrade, the TRD Pro Edition. A true hero getting the recognition he deserves.